Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the cold spray process of a ceramic particle on the steel target. Here, if I click on the contour plot deform shape, you can see we use micrometer as the length for the dimensions here, damage parameter for both steel and ceramic particle. Let me to make this set font 10 to have a better view. Then let me request damage variable for ceramic. See the damage and the cohesion between the ceramic and the steel. Okay, in this view, plastic strain of the steel. And now let me check the steel. This is the steel part. The stress. Plastic strain. Or any result, for instance, shear stress in the contact zone or anything else. We used Johnson-Cook model for the steel, hardening and damage, and Johnson-Humquist for ceramic. It can be Johnson-Humquist Bezel model also. Both can be used for ceramic or combination of the Drager-Prager with the USUP model for the equation of a state. They can both be used for all three methods can be used for ceramic in the cold spray process. There is a little bit limitation in Abaqus to consider the uh, dimensions as 1 point, for instance, 1 point E negative 6 micrometer. There is a little bit limitation, but here this is the micro model, and the dimension is the micrometer, and this is the result for the cold spray. So if you need to model the cold sprays of the ceramic particle on the steel target, you can come to our website abaqusfem.com, find the English tutorial here, click on a title, then you will have the title, geometry part assembly, then the definition of the method, material step interaction load, and then the result as figures. The file contains CAE INP English video file and the codes, and the cost for that is 30 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me contact this email to tell you about the payment process and how you can get the download link. Here we have also Abaqus full package containing more than 400 tutorials in all fields. You know, it covers all mechanical engineering fields, civil engineering, some about the magnetic, about the other fields, also some example in ANSYS. You can read a brief explanation about the titles of this full package here. Uh, During more than 400 tutorials in this package, you will be a master in modeling and simulation in ANSYS. In Abaqus. For instance, we have explosion, impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, cracked soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, just the thermal or thermal structural analysis. Also, we have cyclic masonry, DEM method, lab test, composites material, concrete, steel, anything. You can find anything. The cost for this package is so affordable. If you make a comparison between our price and the other price in the net, you will uh, notice that point. So contact me to this email to get this full package here. Thank you for your attention.